Hey guys, and welcome back. So today what we're going to do is a super quick tutorial on how to have three different charts in one single space here. So in Qlik Sense, one way to do it is you could go to edit, and if you don't have enough space, which is always a problem, you could just click on one space where you don't have anything. So just click on the sheet, and here you could do extend sheet. So what this does is gives you more real estate here. So if you see here now you have an extend sheet, right? But sometimes, to be honest, it's not really nice because you don't want to keep scrolling down. That's just too many graphs in one sheet, just makes people more confused. So I think this is a super nice addition. It's been there for a while. So instead, what you can do is have multiple charts like this, where you have different charts but in the same location. So if you see here, you can have different dimensions, different measures, and different kinds of charts, but all in one single location. Let's do this from scratch. So I'm just gonna take this away, delete. And if you're interested to see how we built this, there's a tutorial that I've made on how to build it from scratch. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Have a look at it. So now we're in edit sheet, and what we're going to do is go here and find something called, go to charts, and in charts find container. So basically what container does is it saves the space here into one single container where you can add different kinds of charts with different kind of measures. So it's super simple. So just drag and drop container here and then go to add, and it's going to ask you what kind of charts you want to add. So first I want to add a bar chart, and let's say I want measures as country, sales. So I'm going to get a bar chart here. Next, now I want to add another sheet. So what I want to do is go here into container and click on add, and you can add an extra chart. So let's say that I want a pie chart here, and I want this to be cities with, let's say, a number of orders. And just for the heck of it, I mean, why the hell not, right? Let's do maybe a bullet chart, or let's go for a line chart here. And under line chart, let's put product sales. Right? And that's about it. So now you have three different charts here, and just by clicking on the button here, you can change to the kind of charts that you want. Now, if you want to modify different things inside each of those charts, go to edit, click on the container, and then it should show you all three charts. And then you go to your bar chart, and here you can change the name. We had you can change the label for this. You can then go to edit properties, and then you have all the options that a regular bar chart has. So you can just go in and make the changes, change sorting, change colors, change appearance, change the dimension, add dimension, remove dimension, all of that. And once you're done, you can just click on this one here. So you go back to your charts. You can also give an if condition that only if a certain thing is selected, then you want this um, chart to show up. So you have a condition here. So you can do if get selected product, then you want the pie chart for different products to show. Otherwise, you don't want it to show. So you can also do that. Um, Super simple. And once again, it's under container. So I hope you learned something, and stick around for more tips on Qlik Sense, Tableau, and data visualization in general. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Peace.